So here we are with web development course second part, and here we are learning module 1, that is Python. So let's get into Python without further delay. We usually have three sort of questions when it comes to Python. What is Python? Why is it important? What can I do with it? So before we get into the answers directly, let's see some sort of things regarding Python. So Python is world's fastest programming language. So who all are using Python and why it is so famous? Python is used by software engineers, data analysts, web developers, network engineers, mathematicians, and many more people. So now let's see what tasks can be performed by Python or what is the application of Python. Python can be used in big data, and this is one of the major application of Python. So what does this big data means? Big data primarily refer to data sets that are too large or complex to be dealt by traditional data processing application software, and this is where Python comes in picture. So for dealing this big data, we are using Python. And next application would be artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this is what we are seeing in our day-to-day life in many places. We are also using Python in automation. So we have everything automatic now. And this is also with the help of many programming languages, and Python plays an important role in automation. You can also make your daily task automate. If you are a person who dealing with large number of files, you can simply handle these files by using an application which runs with Python. So that is why Python is called general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and is not specific for any specific problem. So many programs are there which is for a specific kind of task, but Python is not for a specific problem. It uses for variety of problems. And now, would ask me why we are using this Python. We have many programming languages, and why we go for specifically Python. When you wanted to print a hello world on the screen by using different programming languages, let's see how it comes up. So when you are writing hello world by using C sharp, this is how the code look like, and for C this is how the code look like. And when we are using Python, it is very simple, like it is done with a single line of code, a minimal number of letters. This is why we are calling Python is simplest language to handle. So anyone who is new to programming language, Python would be a great benefit for them. So, what is Python? From all those things, we have an idea about what is Python. Python is a high level, general purpose programming language with simple, beginner friendly syntax. So, now let's see why Python is so important to learn. It's because it's high level language and it is multi purpose. We have already seen the Python is used for many purposes, like it is used for automation, it is used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and it is used for big data. We can make our day-to-day life easier by using Python, and it is not specific to a single problem. That's why it is called it is multi-purpose, and it has a huge community. What does it mean? Because Python was released on 2000, and from that onwards there are a great number of programmers who is working on Python. So if you are a newcomer also, you will get great advices from experts. So an expert engineers community is there for Python. It's a great benefit for a newcomer. So it has a huge library. So what does this library means? Library means it's a collection of modules. And now what's module means? Module is a collection of Python files. So we can simply import a library in our project and we can use lines of codes without writing the codes. That is how a library is helpful. We have libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and these libraries we are using in data science and big data, and we have many more libraries that we uses daily in Python, and these libraries are very helpful while you are coding. And as we already seen, Python is easiest programming language because the syntax is very simple. When we are dealing with another programming languages, we will be having lines of codes, but very much reduced in Python. Even we can start a program by using a single line. And if you are a newcomer, also it's very easy for you to learn Python. but at the same time it is powerful because by using this simple syntaxes we can create a powerful application or website. And Python is highly versatile, so Python can be used in many platforms, like we can use it Linux, Windows, and Mac operating systems. So these all are the reasons why we are saying Python is important. So now let's see what are all the applications of Python. Mobile applications, we can develop mobile applications by using Python, and it is used in machine learning and artificial intelligence, and we are using Python in testing, web scraping, data mining, web development, data analysis, automation, and hacking. And because of this, we are calling Python is a number one programming language. If you are an entry level programmer, there are many chances open for you. As an entry level Python programmer, you can earn an average of $115,000 per annum. If you enjoy my video and do beneficial from it, please do subscribe and like and share. Thank you.